Nais ng dalawang top squash players ng bansa na sina Jamaica Arribado at Raymark Begornia na irepresenta ang Pilipinas sa prestiyosong 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, pero sa isang kondisyon. At kung ano ito, alamin natin sa aking report.
Maraming bagay na ikinukonsidera ang dalawang top squash players ng bansa na sina Jamaica Arribado at Raymark Begornia para sa kagustuhang irepresenta sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa magaganap na 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Ito kasi ang unang pagkakataon na laruin ng sport na squash sa Olympics. Kaya naman, pursigido ang mga Pinoy squashers na pataasin pa ang kanilang mga PSA World Rankings na isa sa mga requirements para makakuha ng slot paakyat ng Olimpiada. Sa naganap na Philippine Satellite Squash Tour kamakailan, kapwa nakaabot sa finals match ang dalawang Pinoy squashers na kung saan itinanghal na kampiyon si Arribado sa women's singles at silver naman si Begornia sa men's individual category.
Magandang bagay dito na may tournament kami na makakuha ka ng ranking points. So, yun, makakatulong yun para sa unti-unti papuntang Olympics.
Siyempre, kung kakayanin ba, bakit hindi, di ba? So, lahat ng tournaments and training na ginagawa namin is talagang pinagsisumikapan namin. So in Olympic 2028, sana kaya ba?
Sa tulong ng kanilang foreign head coach at former world number 5 Malaysian squash player na si Wee Wen Loh, malayo ang mararating ng mga Pinoy squashers. Kaya naman sa panayam ng PTV Sports, ibinahagi nito ang kanyang mga programa at planong gawin para sa Philippine squash team hanggang sa pagsapit ng 2028 Olympic Games.
The big goal for every athlete's dream is to qualify for LA28, especially for squash players. It's the first time that squash has ever been in the Olympics. So it's every athlete's dream to be a part of something like that. And of course, leading up to that, there will be many years of preparation. It takes a lot longer than 4 years to qualify for the Olympics, but you know we have to start somewhere. So I mean, I've been here just over a year now. So we have established a good training ground, the understanding within the players, a training plan. So we have sort of things in place at this point in time. Last year was a bit more of getting them used to training schedules, tournament schedules and things like that. So this year we should look at more specific planning and picking their tournament so that they can peak at the correct time.
Maliban kina Arribado at Begornia, isa rin sa mga nakikita ng national squash team coaches na pwedeng isabak para sa magaganap na Los Angeles Olympics ay sina top junior squash players ng Pinas na sina Jonathan Reyes at Christopher Buraga.